Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making a recipe my friend Nora from Australia gave me, chicken and potato Tepsi. So let's start cooking. There are two parts of ingredients for the chicken and potato Tepsi. For the first part, you will need 5 potatoes that I've just peeled and sliced, just to this thickness, 10 to 12 pieces of chicken that are skinless, boneless thighs that I've halved, 2 small onions that I've just sliced into rings, some salt and pepper, and some vegetable oil for frying. For the sauce, you will need about 1.5 cups of boiling water, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of crushed chili flakes. And this is how your chicken and potato Tepsi should look like. Serve it with some white rice and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!